Hey everybody, happy Tuesday. Pete and I are out here working in our garden, finishing building it. So we wanted to give a little update on where we're at right now. Today Pete's been working on installing our drip irrigation system. What we did is our whole entire yard has a sprinkler system right now, so he actually tapped off of that sprinkler system in 3 different places to source water for our garden. So what he did is he ran the tubing underneath our fencing in 3 different places. He used this half-inch tubing, and in each place where it enters the garden, he actually installed this valve, which is going to allow him to control the amount of water that's coming in. And then he's burying the tubing to each individual box. You can see here. And then on these, he's going to tap off this half-inch tubing with quarter-inch tubing and run it through the boxes in multiple places for the drip irrigation. You can also see here that he used these copper straps or copper fasteners to attach them to the beds, and then buried it to each individual box throughout our whole entire garden. We have 12 boxes in the middle for vegetables, and then we have 6 flower boxes along the outside. And Pete's also been working today very hard on putting down this fabric barrier that's going to cover the whole entire walkway before we bring our mulch in, and our mulch was delivered today, so yay, that's exciting. And I know it's a little controversial about using landscape fabric barrier. People are going to maybe ask, why didn't we use cardboard? What I found for this whole entire project that we've been working on is there's no one way of doing things, so we're just choosing what we think is best for us. So we went with the landscape fabric for that part of our project. So our mulch was delivered today, as I was saying, and we decided to go with just a natural red cedar look, which I think it's going to be very beautiful. So once we finish the fabric barrier tomorrow, we're going to be finishing to bring the mulch in. Another thing that we did is Pete was kind enough to install 10 of these planters for me around the whole entire top line of the fencing all the way around. And they're 36 inches long, and what I did yesterday I was working on was I was planting strawberries in these. I planted 4 strawberries, 2 different kinds of strawberries in each one, and I thought it was going to be very pretty once the foliage grows out, and it's going to allow me to pick strawberries just right here at my level, very convenient. And Pete's also going to run the drip irrigation system to each one of these strawberry planters for me. So that is where we're at today. What else I was working on was I had the lovely task today of putting these there's 18 Canadian worms in each one of these containers. They're actually fairly large. I don't know if it's because they're from Canada, but we put 1 container of these, so there's 18 in each one of our beds. So that's going to be very helpful for the garden, growing the vegetables, and we have cardboard in the boxes right now so they can feed on that until we get the vegetables in there. So that was my task for today. So we are getting so much closer to actually planting our vegetables, so we're very excited about that, and we hope everybody's having a nice evening. Bye for now.